everyone, this is Kristie with AG Takes Over. I'm glad you're here. I'm not going to waste much time, so you know the drill. It's YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? If it's your first time, obviously check out my channel. I have a lot of videos all about American Girl, so feel free to binge watch. If you are a subscriber, thank you. You make this so much more fun, and I hope that you enjoy today's video. I don't do an unboxing for everything that we buy. And when I do an unboxing, I typically show like several things all at once. So just like, what have I gotten recently over the past couple of months? When it kind of piles up, I'm like, I should do one of those videos. So we're at that, I should do one of those videos. We're really close to the holidays, so we haven't been buying much. And getting it now. We've been buying for each other, but you know, holidays, things kind of slow down for just buying for ourselves. And everything's already open. I apologize. Would it really make any difference if I put it back in a bag and you got to see me open it? No. But you get to see the stuff for the first time. So there's a combination of Etsy, retired, off-brand. There's nothing that's like currently available from AG in this haul. So I'm going to start with things that are still in packages that literally just came in the mail yesterday and are the reason that I decided, hey, it's time for one of these videos. Was from Clearwater Crafts by HC. This is an Etsy shop that we have shopped at many times, and we got some Christmas jams. There was a release and I had it in my phone and then I forgot about it, and my lovely wife remembered and sent me a message. I would think I was working, and she said, hey, are these the ones you want me to get? I said, yes. So some little thermal underwear. It's like this lovely waffle print or waffle material. I love that the cuffs are just an extension of this material. The waistband, like this is just really well done. And then I think you could do it as like separate, so you didn't have to get a matching shirt of that. So we got, I know it's backwards, it says in my holiday baking era. I'm in my holiday baking era, and it's just a cute shirt. You could totally have this just be with jeans, and it doesn't have to be a PJ shirt, but we picked it to go with these. And then she makes a lot of caring for baby, or whatever they call it now, the itty bitty bitty baby clothes as well. And this was matching. We could have done completely matching, but we chose to do matching just for the pants. They're so tiny. They're so cute. I really think if people have not, like if you're watching this and you haven't gotten one of those tiny little babies, you should consider it. I know AG still, you know, is kind of sleeping on making outfits for them, but Etsy is not. They're on it. And then it says Cookie Baking Crew. I know it's backwards, but you can just appreciate the design. These are just ironed on, like printed on iron-on sheets. And so you can, I mean, if you look up close, you can kind of see. See if I can get it to show. You can kind of see the edging of it. And then a little matching bow. So there's that outfit. So those were the two outfits that we bought from her. And I swear I feel like every single time we purchase from this shop, again, Clearwater Crafts by HC, every single time she throws in some kind of freebie. It seems like. I don't want to say guaranteed, right? Because then don't make a liar out of me. But I feel like she usually does. And this is just a really cute pillow. Sparkly. All right, so that was our Etsy shopping. And then I bought, somebody was doing a sale on Facebook in like an American Girl group. And they just had cheap off-brand things, and some of them were, a couple of them were our generation. I think some were handmade. I don't know. I just was like, that's cute, and I spent very little money. So this top with little ties at the shoulders. I'll put them on a doll at the end and take pictures so you can see. But yeah, navy blue. This one's definitely seamstress made, sewist made, whatever, however you like to say that. And then this one is an Our Generation shirt. It's got that little kind of neck thing, and then the shoulders are lower. The pink part is lower. And you know, if you have watched anything that I have done about Our Generation, the first thing to go is that sticker or that tag. Can you see when I pull it up really close, the like marks where the needle was? Yes, but I have to get up pretty close for you to be able to notice that. If I held this back here with the orange tag, you could see it from Detroit, and I'm in Ohio. So yeah, I prefer it without the orange tag. All right, and then there were 3 more things from that sale on the Facebook group. This sweater, really cute, almost like a crop sweater, and there's a lot of texture to it, and it's neutral, so it'll go with anything, so winning. Next up is an Our Generation top. It's just a little crop top. I think it was, I paid like $2 or $3 per item out in this sale, so like, yes, plum color. And I got these Our Generation pants. I don't know if this went to the same outfit or not, but looks like a dance warm-up outfit, or, you know, some lounge wear to me. I'm excited about these. And I think neither of these came with the orange Our Generation tag, so woohoo. Okay, next I'm going to show you 2 things that Grace got, 2 and then 3 things that I got. So this was Grace's add-on when I was already buying a couple things from somebody in a Facebook group. I had already picked out some things, and then I tagged her in the person's sale, and I said, let me know if you want me to add anything, because then she'll put it all in one order and we won't pay shipping twice. So it's this little ballet outfit. This is really pretty. I had not realized before that it's like a champagne kind of rose gold with gold kind of sparkles all throughout. And it's the kind that just Velcros right here and then again on the inside. I guess I lied. This is currently available. I said there was nothing currently available at AG, but I think this is. I feel like it was part of a Costco set, and then there were like new items, and it was just this by itself. And it has the leg warmers. I think the only thing it's missing is the shoes, and we have little ballet shoes. Grace really wanted it for all the pieces, I think, anyway. So I don't remember how much she paid for it, but she said it was a lot cheaper than buying it complete and new in store, so it made sense. So that's really cute. Apparently, and this is how Instagram does us. She was scrolling through Instagram and she saw somebody's Covey doll wearing this next outfit, and she was like, I need that outfit because it looks so cute on Covey. I know, most of us have been there. So the outfit came with this, the Good Vibes Club. I don't know why. I don't know why it came with this particular one, because I don't see the outfit in here. Maybe it just, I don't know, she just had it and she threw it in, or maybe it came with this. I don't know. But here's the Good Vibes Club. And then the outfit has these little shoes. I have no idea what the outfit's called, and she's downstairs sewing, so I'm not going to bother her, but if I look it up later, I'll just put it up here on the screen. It has little barrettes. Let me just take them out. Those are fun. And then here's the shirt. Here's the skirt. That's adorable. I think sometimes I need things shown to me not with the whole outfit, because I would not be drawn to this as much, but I am drawn to this because I can see this without flowers, and yeah, I can see this having a totally different feel than it does like that. And then this kind of cropped corduroy jacket, how cute is that? So obviously I will put this whole outfit on Covey because that's who she got it for. And I'll let her do a little photo shoot at the end. Next is 2 American Girl things that are retired, and then 1 Carpetina. I think I had like vaguely heard of that brand, but now I have this gorgeous dress by Carpetina, so let me grab that. Actually, the Carpetina dress is already on Z Yang because it's a Korean hanbok, and it's just going to stay on her. But let me show you. I think in the on their website it has something right here, like something that's supposed to clip on and hang down, and I don't have that piece. But look at these shoes. They're so cute. Look how nice she looks. This doesn't come with the outfit, I just had it and I thought it matched pretty well, so. There she is. That was kind of an impulse item because I think she was selling the whole outfit with the top and the skirt, the dress underneath, and the shoes for like $18. Yeah, sure. And then when I decide I'm going to buy something from one of those sales, you're already paying shipping and it's only like $1 more to add shipping for additional items. So I got this tracksuit. I freaking love. I don't know what era it's from. It feels Interstar U kind of, but it doesn't say anything Interstar U. This is just silk screened on the back. That's the jacket. And here's the shirt, American Girl Stars. Again, I don't care for the shirt. I don't hate it, but I don't care for it. I don't care one way or the other. I got it for this. And then the last thing is there's an outfit that has a vest, and I really like the vest, and I don't dislike the rest of the outfit, but I don't care. It's kind of unremarkable. I just always want the vest. And this person was selling just the vest for like $5 or something else. Yes, sold. So here's my Interstar U vest. It's like very wintry. I'm sure I can find a picture and just put it up here so you can see the whole outfit, but I'll recreate something similar. I just wanted the vest, so I'm super excited to have it. That's it. Hey, I was putting things away and I forgot a couple of things. So from the Dolly's dining room, we have a couple things we hadn't opened yet. Here are French macaroons.
Can I say my name?
No, let's not say your name, but you can say, hi, I'm 4.
Hi, I'm 4.
That's the little peanut whose name is not going to be shared for anonymity, but she's 4. Look at that little tiny flower. These are just gorgeous. Like all the detail. This one looks like a little hamburger.
And this looks like it has whipped cream on it.
It does have whipped cream on it. So this one is a crepe that's apple
Mama,
and caramel. Yeah.
I really like the one with this one.
The hamburger one?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll open them in just a second. And then this one is orange Nutella crepe. So they're just so well done, like so realistic. If I took pictures of this,
it's like so adorable.
So adorable. Yeah. Say enjoy, everybody.
Enjoy, everybody.
All right, so that is it for this haul. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go put a bunch of clothes on dolls and take some pictures. And I'm probably not going to come back on at the end. I'll just put some music on and you can watch the pictures. Leave comments down below if any of these things are favorites of yours or on your wish list, or if you just have other ideas for videos you'd like to see, I will consider them. And Yeah, let me know how you're doing. I hope that you're doing well, and I'll be back within a week with another video. Take care.